we are exhibiting in this exhibition, poultry exhibition in Hyderabad. And our product range are, we are making complete silo storages for the feed industry, for the grain storage, and we are also doing all the houses for the poultry industry, like breeder houses, layer houses, and this is the second time we are participating in this exhibition. This is quite a good exhibition because there are a lot of exhibitors from all over India coming into this exhibition, and we got a very good chance to expose all our products to the customers here. And we are already doing some projects here in India for the poultry, and we are doing a lot of projects for the grain silo storage also in India. So this exhibition is very helpful for us to exhibit our products here. Actually, ours is a global company. We have our manufacturing factor set up all over the world. We have our factories in the US, we have our factories in the Malaysia, in China. So it's a really a global company, and a lot of customers already know our brands. Like GSI is a very strong brand. It's a number one company in the world for the silo storages, and Cumberland is also a very known brand all over the world for the poultry industry. And this is just the beginning for us in India, and we already done some of the projects here in India. So already I think customers have started knowing us, and participating in this exhibition also is giving us very good chance to meet all the customers and tell about our products, and we hope that we get a good customer. Basically, everybody is today talking about, you see, low mortality rates for the chickens, and better conducive environment for the chickens, you see, and more hygienic conditions for the chickens, because it's all food industry. People are going to eat it, and it has to be, the more hygienic the products are, the better it is for the industry. So what the kind of houses we are making, it is all like fully automated houses, wherein no need for any manual interference, no need for any viruses to be entered inside the houses and all. So it is kind of a fully automated systems. So since it is less dependent on the labor, the chances of infections and all kind of diseases are much lower in these kind of houses. And it is all controlled atmosphere. There are conditioned atmospheres is there, so it is good for the breeding, for the chickens and for the layers, for everything. I think looking at the current conditions, we will be setting up our own employees. We already have about 8 employees working in India now for the grain and the poultry business, and the market is looking good. I think maybe in another 1 or 2 years we will see how the business grows, but definitely I think it will grow because India is a large country, a lot of population, and 1 or 2 years down the line, definitely I think there will be plans to set up some kind of manufacturing setup here in India.